Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm about to try a new deep conditioner. If you saw one of my previous videos, then you probably know which ones. And if you're following me on Instagram and looked at my IG stories, or here on YouTube and looked at my community tab, then you saw a poll asking what product I should use next. And out of IG and YouTube, y'all voted for this, the ANNABELLE'S Perfect Blend Spinach Deep Conditioner. So if you're interested in seeing what this will do, make sure you go ahead and hold on for a moment. And while you're holding on, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so as you saw, this is nice and creamy. And what I will say, when I put my hand through it, it almost feels like butter. And it actually reminds me of butter. It reminds me of freshly made buttercream frosting. You could just smell the butter in it. So it has like a buttery scent to it, but like frosting. It smells good. It smells good enough to eat, actually. And it's really, really smooth. To me, it feels like it has a lot of slip in it. That's just my opinion. It's not green. As you can see, it's like an off-white color. There's not any specks of spinach in it. Matter of fact, if it didn't say spinach deep conditioner on it, I wouldn't even know spinach was in this. Okay, so let's wipe it on my hand. Okay, oh, nice and smooth and silky. Yeah, that's the other word for it, silky. So it has water in it, spinach seed oil, it has avocado oil, it has wheat germ in it, it has, let's see here, sunflower oil, mustard seed oil, a spinach leaf extract, algae is in it, algae extract. Let's see here, we have olive leaf extract. There's some good things in this. I mean, it's packed full of stuff. So let me go ahead and wet my hair. We'll rub this through my hair, see what happens, and go from there. Wet my hair some, but I'm gonna go ahead and wet it some more with this warm water I have here in this water bottle. The reason why I have it warm, because I need to go ahead and open up these cuticles on my hair so it can soak in all the goodness that's in this spinach deep conditioner. So, and my hair is low porosity. So, let me just go ahead, section it out just a little bit. I have not detangled my hair, so you see some hair getting ready to come out right now. That's hair that needs to go. So I'm thinking this is going to give me some slip, but let's see. All right. Oh, it smells so good. It's a really, really light scent, but it just smells like buttery buttercream frosting. It smells so good. It makes me want to eat some sweet. Let me get the little baby hairs. I mean, baby hairs. Okay. So what I can tell you, this does give plenty of slip. You see what I'm doing here. My hair was not previously detangled. I made a point to not even detangle it in when I washed it either. And I washed it 2 days ago and put nothing on it. So that tells you something. Now don't ever do that yourself, but that tells you something. Okay. I didn't even use that much. And that was just me finger detangling. Let's try the wide tooth comb for those of you who use a comb. Y'all see it? And I didn't even use that much. Let me put some more on the ends. Yeah, definitely a little bit goes a long way. Yeah. Some more hair. Okay, okay. So that's about 1/4 done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest.
I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn up blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in.
Put a little bit more on that section, but that's okay. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and cover my hair with a plastic cap, put on my thermal heat cap, let it sit on there for, normally I do at least 30 minutes. This says apply to clean damp hair, leave on for up to 30 minutes, rinse thoroughly, can be used with or without heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and use heat because that seems to work best for me. Thermal heat, that is. And let me show you how much I used. So not much. I use a lot more in the back than I did in the front, and I don't know why I did that. sometimes do that, but it's okay. It clearly detangles. It smells good. It has plenty of slip. So far, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit, and I'll be back in a moment. It's been about a half an hour. My hair's nice and soft. And it's fully detangled. So let me go ahead and wash this out, and I'll be right back. Okay. Here we have it. My hair doesn't smell like anything, so the scent of the product doesn't stay in the hair. My hair is soft and fluffy. It's really soft. It could be the fact that, you know, I cut my hair recently, but I like it. My hair feels really good. Soft, clearly detangled. Annabelle's Perfect Blend has another hit. Spinach Deep Conditioner. Who would have thought? Let me turn around. Let's move that out of the way. Do you like what you see? Do you like my results? Are you interested in this product? Have you tried this product? I know at least one of our roses here, Sherry, shout out to Sherry if you're watching. She's already tried this. Girl, I finally tried it and I like it. You said I would, and I do. So anyway, look at that. Oh, my hair just feels and looks good. Okay, so that's it for me. I'm gonna go ahead and go into styling. Again, thanks for everyone who participated in the polls I had in my IG stories and here on YouTube in my community tab. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss polls like this, because, you know, I'm trying to give y'all a little bit of what you want. So sometimes I'll ask your opinion, and this was one of those times. Okay, so if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this with someone who hasn't heard about Annabelle's Perfect Blend, has no idea that there's something called Spinach Deep Conditioner. Show them what it did for my hair. They may be interested in it. Hey, why not? Sharing is caring. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.